Cheers, barbecuers. Using the old scimitar from Paul Maganay, the barbecue guy, living the dream. Beef shorties. Thanks to my brother, the legend. Oh, not the best slice in here, legends, sorry. Alright, let's see how this one goes. This is the exciting one. Oh, look at it. Yeah, it worked. Check it out, legends. The whole top just fell off it. Injected with cheese. How good's that? Living the barbecue dream. Don't think there's much more to show, is there? Cheers, legends. So that was pretty good. Let's check out the last one. You can see it happening in there, legends. Look at it. Cheesy injected beef short ribs. Whoa, it just fell apart on me. Look at it. Alright, legends, I'm gonna get that on a plate. No, that looks fantastic. Alright, I don't know where to start. I'll move that out of the way. Next cab off the rank is me smoked pizza pie kind of thing. I'll just stand this up. Oh, sorry guys. Slightly. No, I won't. No, I've got to fix that up. Hang on a second. Paper towel. Not a bad view though, is it? Let's see. Blooming legs. There we go. Alright. I'm pretty keen to see how this worked out. Looks good. Alrighty. I want to get a big hunk of that out of there, I think. There you go, legends. Pizza, lasagna, pie. Living the barbecue dream. Definitely a few things I'm going to try again there. How good does that look? Cheers, legends. Give someone a sausage.